Good day all my YouTube friends. I just want to show you the plane I built. It's a RC plane that I built myself just because I was boring. I love RC and I'm also flying RC planes. We've got 9-gram servos I'm using on this plane. It's only 2 servos I'm using, 9 grams. It's one for the rudder and one for the elevator, of course. Then I'm using a FlySky receiver, 6-channel, and 20 amp ESC. The battery I'm pairing with this is the LiPo 2200 milliamp 3-cell LiPo battery from X-Power, and I've got a 1340 brushless motor. Well, to be honest, I don't know if this plane's gonna fly. I must still test it, and yeah, when I'm gonna test it, the day I'm gonna test it, I'll take the camera along and I'll record the first flight, and let's see what we make of it. Now, this is a RC plane I built myself, so yeah, let's see what comes from it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Subscribe please guys for more videos like this. I'll show you the whole flight, and if it's successful, well, what can I say? I also fly other models. Yeah, it's a real nice hobby to have, to do. And I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.